Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video for you. Get my gloves on here. Hope everybody's doing good. Just to let you know what's going on around here. I live in Illinois, and last week it was in the 80s. I'm filming this on April 20th, and it's snowing out. So just to know what it's like in Illinois. That's our weather. Okay, here's my painting from my last video. A little bit out of my color comfort, but I wanted to try something different. I love the phthalo turquoise that came up, and really love the green gold and the brilliant yellow that I mixed together. I used a cloud mixture as my base. Got some that came up, not a whole lot, but I like it. It turned out pretty good. So let's get rid of that one. So there we go. Okay, today I'm working on a 10 by 10 canvas. I did another video. I didn't like how it came out, so I scraped it and washed the canvas. It's all nice and dry. So we're gonna try something else. I'm gonna use my tiny blower today. And I got these from Tracy Reed. She sells them in her Etsy shop, and they're little things that go on the end of your little blower. This comes off because this is just round, as you can see. I'll put that over there. And these are flat, like you can put on your hair dryer, so you can do like Dutch pours or different things with it. So I got some of those. They're really reasonable priced. So you should, if you have one of these and you want to do something different with it, you should go to her website or her Etsy shop and check them out. I think I'm going to try this big one to begin with and see how that goes. So I'll put that right there. I'll put these other two over here so they don't get paint on them. Like they weren't going to get paint on them anyway, but try and save them the best I can. All right. I'll tell you my colors as I use them. If I can't remember all of them, they will be in the description box below the video. Let's see. Get this stirred up a little bit. My base coat is going to be this carnation pink, and it's by Deco Art. And I just love it. I'm feeling springy today, even though it's snowing. So I'm going to pour some of this down and see about spreading it out. It's a little thick. Thought it was thinner than this, but we'll give it the old try here and see what happens. So we can spread it out this way. I mixed up a whole cup full, so I'll have plenty. Let's turn it around. I'm gonna get the sides good and everything, so I don't have to worry about it. It's going down this way and that way. Get it over here. It's a very pretty color. I love it. Of course, I'm a very pink girl. I like pink. There's something in it, I think, right there. Might have got it. I don't know. Let's check it. See what's going on. All right, looks good. Have to come back and do my sides if they drain off. Wipe my hands off some. Grab some paper towel. All right. a gorgeous color. Be really pretty for a little girl's room. Alrighty then. I think I'll start. This is Liquitex Old Gold, and I did put a little bit of DecoArt 14 karat gold in it. I think I'll just start with a little puddle of it. Let's see. I think this is Liquitex Cerulean Blue. We'll go around with that. There we go. This is, oh, that's not the one I want. I'm sorry, I put Naples yellow down there, and I got my cup in the paint. I'm terrible. But it's closing in, so we're all right. I put Naples yellow down instead of the gold. This is the gold, so we'll just do a little bit of it. There we go. And this is neon pink. It's a different color pink than what I put down, so it'll show up well, I hope. There we go. This is a metallic white. And it does have a little bit of silicone in it. And then this is a lake blue, and it is Master's Touch. And I think I'll go around again with some Naples yellow, and it is Liquitex. Okay. Let's see, what else? Maybe just a little bit more of the neon pink. I love pink. Do a little bit on the outside. There we go. Okay, now I haven't used this before, so we're all gonna try it together and see what happens. See if it works. Doesn't blow very hard. Okay. Let's see if one of the other ones are open more. Let's try a different one. See what happens. There we go, that one's a little bit better. I know a lot of people use their mouth for this, but I just don't have the air anymore to do it. I wish I did, because it turns out a lot prettier, I think. And I got paint on them already. Isn't that terrible? Got paint on it already. I wanted to try and keep them a little bit cleaner. Oh, that's so pretty. These colors are so pretty together. I love the pink background. Try and get some of this pink out of the inside. Oh, that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. A lot of paint on here. But I'm not too worried about it. I always use Golden GAC 800 in all my paints to prevent cracking. So I think I'm good on that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Let's try to get rid of some of this. Naples Jello all ganged up there all together. You know what? I forgot. I have this Art Minds Mermaid Sirene that I wanted to use. Let's try a little bit of it in the middle and see if we can get a contrasting color with the pinks and the blues and the yellows. Hope it didn't just mess it up. Let's try and get some of this in there. Make it all look good. I love this color too. I think it'll complement it really good. Kind of looks like a starburst in the middle with that in there. Oops. Let's see, I want to try and put some of that back in the middle. Go over that pink. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Don't want to take up too much of y'all time. If we can tip this down just a little bit so it'll be somewhat even. There we go. Oh my gosh. I think we're done. I think we are finished. Well, I hope everybody thinks it's as beautiful as I do. I love it. I'm gonna give it a torch because that green did have some bubbles in it when I shook it. I think our metallic white kind of got lost in the mixture, but that's all right. Everything else came out gorgeous. Said this would be perfect for a little girl's room. Oh my gosh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Let's do a close-up for you. Look at those colors and the cells that came out. I'm glad that I remembered that green because that just set it off. Oh, I hope everybody loves it as much as I do. thank you all for being here with me. Like I said, visit Tracy Reed's Etsy shop if you have a little blower and you want some things to go with it. They're very reasonably priced and it worked very well. Leave me a comment if you have any, if you enjoyed this video, or you have anything you want me to do or not do. I have to touch up my sides as I go. Leave me a thumbs up. It really helps with my placement with YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I would sure appreciate it. Get me some more subscribers going on. And as always, please have a great day.